We're having kind of a crazy day here in the shop. Ron Ananian, Car Doctor, at your service. Danny, shoot lengthwise. So we've got this 92 Buick Roadmaster. 92. Think of how old this thing is, right? We got a little bit of a rot problem. Whoops. And, you know, over here it's not much better. Pretty soon the spare tire will be out on the road, okay? And we said to the owner, you know, when your mechanic says don't fix the vehicle, there's a reason, okay? Because I tell everybody, my job is to fix your car, collect some money, move on to the next thing, all right? But when you've got parts hanging off, because that used to be the inside of the back bumper, yeah, why are we putting, oh, there you go. Well, at least it won't fall on the road and hurt somebody. We told the owner, the car's not worth fixing. They love the car. You know what? We're all over 18 here. We tell you what to do. You want us to fix it. It's not illegal, unethical, or immoral. We'll fix it. Forget the part where the parts are rusting off. Now we actually have to fix it. We're trying to get some front end into this car. Tie rods and control arms and things like that. So, look at the part numbers, right? I think we've cleaned the Northeast out of every ES 2020 RLT inner tie rod from Moog there is. All right, and you know, issues like, and this is old car issues, right? These are old car issues. This one, the grease fitting's not threaded. We can't get a tap to fit in there. We don't have the right tap. That's on us, right? But then we looked at it more closely. The boot's torn, right? So this was pre-installed by somebody, or somebody attempted to use this. You got to remember, the car's 35 years old. All right, it's a 92. So that piece is out. But that's what we're looking for. We're looking for an inner tie rod. Then we opened up this box we ordered from the parts house. I don't think we can make that work. Machining, hammer, a torch. I don't think it's going to work because that's clearly a misboxed part. All right. Over here, here's the inner sleeve that's been installed, right? And this is what happens. This is what happens in a repair shop. It seems like the older the vehicle gets, the worse it gets. Everybody's picked through it. They don't look at parts coming back. It becomes a real problem. So we ordered another one. We ordered two. This time I got smart. I went to a different warehouse. I ordered two. This is an outer in an inner box. The reason I know that is this has an angle to it, right? And the grease fitting is here instead of here. It's supposed to be here, because if it's here and it's the inner, it's going to hit the subframe as the cradle, as the steering linkage goes back and forth. Finally, here's the right part. Grease fitting in the right spot, the correct part. You know, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 to get one inner tie rod. The problems the mechanic runs into, some of them are self-induced. More often than not, though, you're counting on parts to be there that are correct on an older vehicle, and it will frustrate the mechanic. It will frustrate you. Be a good human. Stay calm. Be kind. Just plow through the day. Don't let the hard days win. I'm Ron Ananian, the Car Doctor. We're going to get this tie rod in. We won. See you on radio.
Need Ron stuff? Well, you can get t-shirts, hats, mugs, sweatshirts, and more at cardoctorshow.com.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian, the Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.